Yo, what's going on, y'all? I've been here for about a month. Finally settled in. Kind of just doing my thing, hanging out. It's been an experience. But we're gonna get some food. Um, I'm at a spot called Ho Diu Namyang Alo. A-L-U. This is in the Thao Dien district in Saigon. I got their house special, which comes out to, I believe it was 95,000 dong. Um, the conversion, about $6 for this bowl, Canadian, $6 Canadian. And I also got a side of spicy wontons. So we're gonna see how that goes. Come on. The main attraction. I can't even show you that. That's not gonna be a smart idea. Hold on. Yup. Got my veg. Got my saute. Spicy wontons. My lemon dipping dish. And the main attraction. Hotiu Namyang. So we got some meatballs, some sliced pork, quail egg, shrimp. Pretty sure there's gonna be minced pork in this as well. Some liver. Just kind of all cuts of the pork, and then nice light broth. I believe it's gonna be rice noodles in here, so let's dig into it. First, gotta get my utensils. Squeeze this lime. Give my chopsticks a little quick disinfecting. Spoon. I'm also gonna squeeze this into here. Let's see what we got on the table. Yeah, do some pickled peppers. Take some of this saute. Also just gonna put it directly into my soup. Oh, you know what? I didn't even taste the broth on its own. My bad. It's light, it's porky. I know sometimes it's like might be too porky, but no, this is perfect. Honestly, with just after the saute, I'm looking for some. Usually they got pickled garlic, so I wanted to have that to put into my bowl here. I don't know if this is vinegar. It's vinegar. For the record, this is my first meal of the day. It's like 4:30 in the afternoon or something. I did have coffee and a couple of small bites, but this is my first proper meal. So we are gonna get into it. With the lime and the saute, spicy, citrusy, getting little bits of the bean sprouts, so just kind of adding some nice crunchy texture. Like the bean sprouts aren't so boiled that they're so soft; they still got crunch to them. That pork, nice and tender, not overcooked. Man, There's a reason why I've been thinking about this since I've come here. This is some liver. I'm like having the different cuts of pork in here just adds different texture, different flavor. It's so good. And in the broth, they got these little bits of fried garlic. It's just another dimension added to the dish. Alright, slow down. Eating too fast. It's just that good. Try one of these meatballs. I believe it's a pork meatball as well. If you can't eat pork, this is not the dish for you. I'm sorry. That meatball is so tender. Whoa. Alright, that's fire. Absolutely fire. Forgot about my wontons. Wow. Hold on. So right off the rip, it's sweet. There's a chopped cilantro on it. So it's like sweet, got a little bit of floral flavor, soy sauce. But I'm gonna show you guys real quick. I'll try to get you guys a better angle on that one. It's full, packed. I have to see how much those wontons were because there's 5 of them in this on this plate. Little quail egg. Look at this shrimp. This is shrimp. This might be a prawn. I don't know. Regardless, that's a big boy. Like every bite's just a little bit different. It's not this like one-tone dish. Some bites you get a little bit more veg, some a little bit more noodles. You get some meat. You get different type of pork. You get your liver. You got your meatballs, all that stuff. And you just sip on some broth. Oh, we even got a little bit of intestine in here. It's nice, it's chewy, but it's not like so tough. Oh, we got another shrimp in here. Hook it up, brother. May have gotten a little bit too excited with that bite. Bit off some of the shell. Now, it's hot out. It's hot out today. It's the afternoon. The sun is starting to set, but I'm pretty sure it's like plus 33, plus 34 degrees Celsius out right now. And I'm eating soup. That's how good this bowl is. I didn't care about the temperature outside. I knew that it was hot out. Didn't stop me. I have a couple of errands to do after this. Otherwise, I'd be drinking this whole bowl of broth right down to the bottom of it. But I'm gonna control myself. I'm gonna finish off my wontons. And we're gonna call it. Fire. Absolute fire. The sauce that the wontons are in. It's so good. I may have bit off more than I can chew. That was my last wonton. Bye for y'all. I have to go share for the bowl. That's it. Well, thank y'all for hanging out. I'm gonna pay my bill. I'm gonna go run my errands. Hopefully see y'all soon. Peace. You're